家事
housework,
春季前大扫除
Spring cleaning with friends. Kevin and Tiffany are discussing end-of-winter cleaning.
Your house is really dirty. How do you live like this?
I know it's disgusting. I do 2 big cleans per year, and you're just in time to help me.
Okay. I will be your servant for the day and help you clean everything.
How are we going to divide the work up?
How about this? I start from the back and you start from the front.
That seems reasonable. I'll clean the kitchen if you do the bathroom.
It's a deal. Now, where is the mop?
It's in the living room closet. You'll find gloves there for scrubbing the toilet, too.
You'll need gloves for the kitchen as well. I see there are a ton of dishes piled up there.
That's all right. I may need help with the stove, though. It's gross.
If I finish first, I'll join you.
What else do we need to do to get the job done?
Let's take some things down to the trash and recycling bins.
Great! I don't even like this couch anymore. I think a bookcase would look much better here.
You're right. You grab that side and I'll grab this one. We'll carry it down right now.
It's quite heavy. I don't want to injure my back. Can you just drag it down yourself?
Tiffany, don't be afraid to get a little dirty today. You'll be happier in the long run. Now grab that side and lift.